Hi guys, today I have a video about how to fix Samsung TV double image and distorted picture. You can see that it is a Samsung 32-inch LCD TV and its picture is not good. The colors are also bad and it's showing double image. So today video I will show you how to fix this. Don't skip any part. I will show you step by step guide and methods to fix this problem. First of all, you will have to remove the back cover and all the screws on the back side of the TV. Then you have to detach the motherboard and power supply of the TV. Then you can access the panel side. After removing all the back case and power supply and motherboard, you will have this scalar PCB. Viewers, we have to do work here. So method number 1 is we will remove CKV1 and CKV1 resistors. We will do the steps carefully. Here CKV1 and CKV1 points are mentioned. Just check it with continuity meter and remove the resistors. I will apply some flux first, then give hot air to remove these resistors. Basically these are jumpers, viewers. So I will firstly remove the CKV1 resistor. If you follow all the steps given in my video, you will surely fix the double image problem of your Samsung TV. Now I will remove the CKV1 resistor. Both the resistors are removed. Now it's time for checking, viewers. Now check the display after removing CKV1 and CKV1. If display good, then okay. If not, then move to the next part. I am powering on the TV. You can see that the display is not good, viewers. It's showing some lines. So this method doesn't work. We will move to the next part. Method number 2 is, viewers, remove CKV2 and CKVB2 resistors also. You can see that all the 4 resistors are now removed. Now I will check the display. The display is still not good, viewers. You are watching that. Now method number 3 is, viewers, add again CKV1 and CKVB1 resistors and leave the CKV2 and CKVB2 resistors. You are watching that my first 2 resistors are connected but second 2 are not connected. Now again I will check the display. The display is still not good, viewers. This method also doesn't work. Viewers, don't worry. If you have these problems, one of this method will definitely work for you. Now this method is, viewers, ground the CKV1 and CKVB1 pair with C61. This is scalar PCB. I have ground the CKV1 and CKVB1 points to the ground to the C61 capacitor. You are watching this. After doing this, check the display. If good, then okay. If not, then move to the next part. Display is still not good, viewers. There is another tip that there is a TH1 resistor. located near the regulator. Also try removing this and check the display. I have removed the resistor but still my display was not good. Now viewers, the next part is cutting method. Method number 5 is by cutting the tracks. If you have done all the steps and your display is still not good, then undo all the changes and move to the cutting method. Viewers, cut the tracks I am showing in the video. Cut these 3 tracks. You will need a sharp blade. Beware of other tracks. Don't cut them. Only cut these 3 tracks. Viewer, this is risky method but it will work. Take care of other tracks, viewers. Don't cut them. You can check that your tracks are cut by applying a thinner onto the tracks like this. Tracks are visible after applying thinner, viewers. One of our track is still remained. I will cut it. Now again check. All the 3 tracks are cut, viewers. Now I will check the display. Viewers, our display is okay now. The problem of double image and distorted picture is fixed now. You have seen that I have shown 5 methods of fixing this. So if you have any question, you can ask in comment section, and also subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Viewers, thanks for watching. Goodbye.